Okay, so I got it all pulled apart here. It's the back grill, front grill, the blade, the cabinet right here. Yeah, 3723. Haven't cleaned it since last year, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it now, and then I'm gonna put it back together. All right, and I'm gonna also give it some oil as well. Front bearing only. I can't oil the back. Actually, I can, but I'm not one to be pulling the motor apart and splitting it and doing all that garbage. I don't do that mess. Anyways, I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to wash the blade off and then wash out the guards and then go ahead and put it back together. 1 second. Okay, the blade is now clean. The guards are clean. Now we're going to take it back in the house and put it together. Hold on. Okay, so everything is dried now. Yeah, everything is dried now. The grills are dried. The blade is dried off. And now I'm finna oil the motor. Just right here, the front bearing only. There is no back bearing. So I'm going to do that and then put it back together and let's see what we got. Okay, so I just gave it some oil and the spin down is long.
Oh my gosh, did you hear? There's a freshman who's a 4-star. It's all over the collegiate ACB.
Okay, it's pretty decent.
I know. It's me. What do you mean it's you? I'm the porn star.
Alright, so let me put the guards back on. Let's see what we got. Okay,
The article got published.
now it's back together and it looks brand new again, just like when I first bought it. Lasko.
Amanda told me.
Brand new again, just like when I first bought it. So now let's turn it on and let's see what we got. High speed. Moves a lot more air now that it's been cleaned. Yeah, medium. Still moving a lot of air. And low. Back to medium, high, and then off. Spin oil as well. Medium. High. And the spin down after being oiled.
It's fine. I'm fine. Really.
All right, pretty decent, nice and clean. Well, thanks for watching. I finally got this clean after 2 years of using it. I'm gonna keep it clean more often. And it looks brand new, just like I got it. Brand new last year.
That would be awesome. Cool.
Unfortunately, that one is not going to be clean for a while, the 3733. I haven't been using it all that long. But this one I have. Thanks for watching. I have more videos to come soon. God bless you and have a blessed evening. Gone.